I mean, there's what, 4 or 5 that you have at the moment, right. And I'm sure hopefully more coming. But dive into the ones that we have right now.
Yeah. So the background on the interactive art was, I was down here one day and I was observing people how they were looking at the bronzes, and they would sometimes touch them and rub them. If you can actually go by certain bronze pieces in downtown Edmond, you'll notice there's a shiny, like on the Eagle over here, just a few feet from us. It's been shined up because people have rubbed the nose and things like that. I understand at Wall Street they have a bull and people kind of do the same thing there. But I just thought, what if we could do art where you could actually interact with it? And so the dream was, we asked the question, if a family wanted to come to downtown Edmond, or a couple, and spend 3 hours, could they interact with the art and really make a great afternoon of it on a Saturday or Sunday afternoon? And at that time, 2 years ago, the answer was, well, they could look at some bronzes, but that was about it. And so we said, let's go do some interactive art. And to your point, the Love Locks piece, or it's called Key to My Heart, was really one of the first pieces we've done. And it's 7 feet tall and over 30 feet long. And you're right, the inspiration was the bridge in Paris where people lock their lock and throw it into the...
Something,
you and I are both embarrassed to name the river.
Yeah.
Not the Seine. Okay, I shouldn't say it because my geography teacher.
People listening can Google. I'll put it in the link in the description below.
Anyway, but you throw it in the river, right? Sure. Well, we don't have a river in downtown Edmond, and so that was an inspiration that we took from Paris and brought it to here. But we don't have a river, we don't have a bridge, so we made our own. And the city was great. It was about a $14,000 piece and another $10,000 to install it because you don't want it falling over. It's got to be safe in the wind and all that kind of stuff. So, but I was over there 2 nights ago, and there's already, I'm going to guess, it's been installed for maybe 2 weeks. I'm just guessing. And there's probably 40 locks on it. So give it another year, and I imagine it will be bending over with the weight of the locks. Right? Yeah,
because that's what happened with the bridge, right? They had to go and every so often they they had to
clip
everything off
because it almost took
again.
The bridge down.
Yeah,
exactly.
Which, I mean, that to have that many people and have that many people come through Edmond is the goal. That would be really cool to.
And it's been really interesting to look at some of the locks because you can tell there's people that really love each other, or people had a loved one that they lost and they lock that, or a mother, daughter, and so it'll warm your heart when you see that.